So here's the thing, and I may not be the favorite person of moms on Instagram with this response, but I've been a family law attorney for a long time. I'm a mom. I've got a 13-year-old and 11-year-old. I have had a very long relationship with my husband, and it's had its up and downs just like anybody else. And I have represented so many people who go through separations. There are a lot of moms that are not rational about time sharing with the child's dad. It's just a fact, people. Like, there are a lot of moms that are not rational. So on an emotional level, do I get that it is really hard to let go of your baby or your child? Do I get that it's hard to be away from them? Absolutely. Like, I'm a mom, I get it. But on a rational attorney and therapist level, is that the right thing to do for your child? Absolutely, yes, it is. So, like, even when we have infants, do I think that infants do better with moms overnight? Yeah, I do. But that doesn't mean that dads should not have infants overnight. There's a bonding that goes into that. So if there is a problem with the father, that's a different situation. That's a different conversation. But there are a lot of moms where there really is no problem with the father. They just have a difficult time grasping these concepts. A little bit, I'd also talk about the fact that there's a lot of dads out there who are irrational as well. I'm telling you, I've been doing this for a very long time. And yes, there are dads who are great dads, involved dads, need to be involved in their children's lives and carry the same amount or more weight than the moms do. But there are also a category of dads out there, and I'm telling you guys, they just exist, that are looking for the time sharing for reasons other than wanting to be with their children. They're looking for the time sharing for child support purposes. They're looking for the time sharing because their mom wants them to do that or their girlfriend wants them to do it. They're not doing it because they really want to carry 50% of the weight of the kids. And this is something that causes so many issues financially as well as for the children, because if you are forcing and insisting on having 50-50 and you don't really plan on using it, you're just going to end up back in court. The child support's going to end up going up, and it's going to cost everybody more money than is necessary. You have to be realistic about what you can do and what you want to do in terms of your involvement with your kids' lives.